Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate gaming chair, look no further than this one from KARNOX. This is a professional gaming chair and is actually manufactured in the same way that they do racing chairs. There's nothing like the fatigue that comes when you've been gaming for hours. Having this chair has made it so much more comfortable. This is adjustable in many different ways to accommodate different weights or heights. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. My husband is 6 foot, 190. The cushions are really comfy, but very durable. This is high quality material that is going to last for a really long time with a lot of use. I love that this lays completely back and it has a cushion for head support and lumbar support that are both movable and removable. The armrests also adjust in 4 different ways so that you can get the perfect support for your arms. This chair is not flimsy. It is sturdy and stable. You are gonna 100% love this chair. This comes so well packaged, so you have peace of mind that even though you're ordering it online, it's gonna come without damage and you're gonna be able to easily assemble it with these clear to read instructions. I could talk all day about how awesome this chair is, but you really need to experience it yourself. So go get one. There's lots of colors to choose from, and that's my point of view.